Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to demonstrate the external sensor alpha app I made. So this runs inside the StandaloneMAIN app as usual, and it uses the external sensor on the Muse Headband. I found that not everyone has this, so I'm just going to quickly show you what it looks like. It just is a sensor that sticks in through the micro USB port, and then it can go on the top of your head to measure the brain waves on the top of your head. I think MindLift has one. This is on their website, but my Muse headband came with this, so I'm not exactly sure where to buy it, but I'm pretty sure you can get it online. I'm just going to quickly demonstrate how it works, and it's pretty easy to understand. So you would just like Command O and just click external sensor alpha. I have it open right now, and then it would open like this. So this is the OC port number that has to match your Muse headband, and then this is to turn the audio on off. This is the smoothing number, so I think by default it is at 250. So you can see, like, if I did 20, it'd be very abrupt changes in the calculations. But if I did like 1000 milliseconds, it'd be a bit more smoother as the changes in the data happen. This shows you which frequencies of alpha are coming from the external sensor, a visual representation, and then this gives you an average of all those. Now this is the audio feedback kind of portion, this upper half. So you can drag audio, you can drag whatever kind of audio. This is an MP3 of some nature sounds. And once the audio's on, you can play it. And you can select a portion to loop. And then you can loop just the entire thing, turn loop on and off. So as the alpha increases, the volume will increase. As the average alpha increases, the volume will increase. And that's basically the gist of it. These two things are a little kind of like settings to tweak. So this is kind of like your overall volume of the app. If you just want to turn it up louder or turn it down, maybe your MP3 is a bit loud or something. And this does some math to basically add or subtract from this number. So let's say your alpha is kind of low and you're not hearing much, and maybe this is all the way up. You can add a few data points to increase or decrease from this. So that is basically it, and I'm just going to end this video with a brief demonstration of me kind of running this, and yeah.